A T-level is a 2-year qualification that combines classroom learning with real industry placement, allowing you to get the best of both worlds.
My favourite bit about T-level is that we get to have some parts in placement and then some part in college.
When I joined my placements, I was still quite shy, like not knowing where to fit in and what to do. But I feel like I've definitely grown as a person, and I will volunteer myself to do things, and it's really helped me grow.
The great thing about T-levels is that they're developed in collaboration with leading businesses and companies, ensuring that all the skills that are taught are exactly what the companies need in the industry.
When you go to apply for a job after university, a lot of them want you to have work experience. It can be very difficult, but you can say that you've done that work experience after, and it might make you a much more confident person in the workplace when you're starting out, and it will also help make it easier to actually find employment.
Ready to take your future further? Explore our full range of T-levels and find out how MK College can help you achieve your goals. Visit our website to learn more.